Good morning to all. Today we will study adjectives, kinds of adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. They are modifiers. They modify nouns or pronouns. Means they make changes in nouns and pronouns. In other words, adjectives give more informations. They add details and describe a noun. So they are also called describing words. Examples: the thin man has a grey dog. The clown is funny. These are delicious, huge round cookies. So the words in blue like man, dog, clown, cookies, they are nouns. And the words in red, thin, grey, funny, delicious, huge, round are adjectives. But the position is changed in each sentence. So let's study that also. In the first sentence, the words thin and grey describe the nouns man and dog. So adjectives thin and grey are placed before nouns. In the second sentence, the noun clown is linked with the verb is. So the adjective funny comes after the noun. In the third sentence, delicious, huge, round describe cookies according to the adjective order. Like delicious is the opinion, huge is the size, and round is the shape. This is adjectives word order. And the general order of adjectives before a noun is the following. So when we are using more than one adjective in a sentence, we can use this word order. So according to the word order, first is number, that is amount and quantity, then opinion, that is attitude, observation, size, it can be height also, condition, it can be state also, age, how old is it, shape, it can be weight, it can be length, color, it can be proper color or approximate color, origin, where is it from, material, what is it made of, purpose, what is it used for. For example, if I say I have two small old cotton sleeping bags. So according to my sentence, I am using the adjectives in proper order. Like I have two, that is number, small, that is sign, then red, that is color, material, that is cotton, and sleeping is the purpose. So this is the order. I can't say I have cotton, red, thin, small sleeping bags because this is not according to the word order. Now we'll study types of adjectives. There are 8 types of adjectives. First is adjectives of quality, then adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, distributive adjectives, and proper adjectives. So the first one is adjective of quality, or you can also say it is called descriptive adjective because it shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. For example, London is a large city. He is an honest man. The foolish crow tried to sing. So now in these sentences we can see that the words large, honest and foolish, they tell us of what kind a person or thing is. Adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. Like what kind of city? Large city. What kind of man? Honest man. What kind of crow? Foolish crow. Second is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity show how much of a thing is meant. For example, I ate some rice. He has little intelligence. He showed much patience. He has lost all his wealth. So adjective of quantity answer the question how much. How much rice? Some rice. How much intelligence? Little intelligence. How much patience? Much patience. How much wealth? All wealth. So adjectives much, a little, some, any, enough, sufficient, whole, all, half, no, they all show how much of a thing is meant. Now adjective of number. So according to the words adjective of number, we can say that it expresses the definite quantity of noun. Or in easy words, we can say that it tells us the exact number of something. For example, if someone asks me, Mr. Naveed, tell me how many students are in your class. So I will say I have 3 students. So here in the example, I is the subject, have is showing the position, 3 is the adjective of number and students is noun. So in this example, 3 is adjective of number and students are noun, and 3 is telling us the quantity, or we can say it's telling the exact number of students. So now if anybody asks what is the adjective of number, we can say that it expresses the definite quantity of noun or pronoun. Now adjectives of number, they show how many persons or things there are or in what order any of them stands, and they answer the question how many or in what order. Now what is the difference between adjective of quantity and adjectives of number? So see, by name it seems that both are similar, but they have many differences. They are indicating the amount of noun in the sentences, but there are some differences which are as follows. See, the first difference is adjectives of quantity show the approximate quantity of the noun, whereas adjectives of number express the exact number of the noun in the sentence. Second, adjective of number is used with countable nouns, the nouns which we can count, whereas adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. For example, I have enough money. So I can't count money. I ate some rice. Rice is again uncountable. Now adjective of number, there are not enough chairs. Are there any guava trees in your garden? There are no interesting stories in this book. Some boys are very clever and intelligent. So here chairs, guava trees, stories and boys, they are countable. We can count them. So these are the examples of adjective of number.